MLIP 2026 Play with Patterns Activity 2 Find the Pattern. Are you ready for the activity? In the previous class we have done how to extend the pattern. Yes or no?
Yes, miss.
Wordly painting we have done, no?
Yes, miss.
What is pattern?
Pattern is repeated
Arrangements.
arrangement of numbers, design, colors, alphabets.
Okay. Tell me any number pattern.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Very good. Alphabet pattern.
A, B, A, B, C, A, B.
Very good.
Rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle.
What is symmetry? Symmetry is when you have a shape, okay, which is exactly looks like the other one. When you move it or when you divide it. This is a circle. Okay. Fold it. Fold it. Yes. See? This side exactly looks same, no? Open it. Both sides are equal. That means you have divided this circle into two halves. Look at the figure here. What is the name of this figure? Triangle. See, I have divided this. No? Triangle. This part is exactly same. Okay, both parts are equal and it looks similar. This one circle, see, I have divided into two halves. This is called symmetry. See, here also the same thing, I have divided. This part is exactly similar to this part. Okay? Look at you. See, if you divide like this, okay, this part is exactly similar to this part or not? This side, show me. See, when you divide this, yes, this part looks similar to this part. Exactly similar or not? Same hai ki nahi?
Yes, miss.
That is called symmetry. Okay, come. Two of you come. Now, Mehak will show example of symmetry.
Is this same part
Yes.
equal?
When you divide
Divide
from the middle,
the middle.
you are getting both parts are equal. Exactly similar. Okay? Look at the blackboard. Look at here. Name of this?
Circle, square, circle, square.
Now, look here and tell me what will be the next.
Circle.
Yes, pattern is circle, square, circle, square, circle.
Circle is circle. Circle.
Yes, you will draw like this. Okay? Is this clear?
Yes.
Now who will come?
Yes.
Tanisha, come. Read the pattern. Is she correct?
Yes, miss.
Next. Is she correct?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Star, star, circle, circle, star. Good. Now who will come? Read. Is she correct?
Miss.
Who can help her?
Miss.
Divya. Now complete next. Now let her do. Okay. Yes. Now you understood, no, Pritkar? Good. Is she correct?
Yes, miss.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Aditya. Is he correct? $25. Yes, good. Is he correct?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Is he correct?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Pratima, come. Is he correct?
Yes, miss.
Understood pattern?
Yes, miss.
Can you give any? Yes.
Circle, square, circle, square.
Very good. Alphabet pattern.
Miss A, B, A, B, A, B. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Did you enjoy the activity?
Yes, miss.
Clap for yourself.